Hi everyone. Thank you for visiting our channel.
This detailed, yet easy-to-use three-statement financial model will allow you to calculate your business profit and loss, build a balance sheet and calculate cash flow. Additionally, it will calculate the valuation of the company based on the three financial statements created: profit and loss statement, balance sheet, cash flow, valuation. So a quick overview of the model. In the Contents tab you can see the structure of the model, and by clicking on any of the headlines to be redirected to the relevant worksheet. On the Timing tab you are able to feed the general information for the model, such as model name, responsible, timeline of the model, and date and currency conventions. Additionally, there is a description of the color coding of the model in the same tab. Inputs are always depicted with a yellow fill, and blue letters, call-ups, that is direct links from other cells, are filled in light blue with blue letters, while calculations are depicted with white fill and black characters. There is also a color coding for the various tabs of the model. Yellow tabs are mostly assumptions tabs, gray tabs are calculations tabs, blue tabs are outputs tabs, that is effectively results or graphs, and finally light blue tabs are admin tabs, for example, the cover page, contents, and checks. The Inputs tab allows for the inputting of a huge amount of financial data for your business. These inputs cover a wide range of financial data: sales, costs, variable and fixed, taxes, receivables, payables, inventory, business cycle, cash, overdraft, fixed assets, new and existing, long-term debt, share capital. As such, in the Calculations tab, the tool calculates your profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow based on an extensive amount of input data to create incredibly accurate outputs and forecasts, as well as help you perform a valuation of your company. In the Outputs tab, you are then given an in-depth profit and loss statement, with information ranging from gross profit, EBIT margins, and net income margins. You will also get your balance sheet, in which you will get a calculation of your total assets, total liabilities, and total equity. Finally, the tool calculates your cash flow to give you several useful outputs, such as operating cash flow, investing cash flows, and financing cash flows. Ultimately, this is an incredibly simple to use tool that will allow you to get an in-depth overview of your business financial performance with the help of the ratios in the Summary tab. Furthermore, the tool will use your input data to create accurate forecasts for your future financial performance, and in the Valuation tab it will enable you to perform a DCF analysis and determine the value of your company based on the created three-statement model.
And that's it. Thank you for your time.